Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add hashtag to your YouTube videos. So that's what you're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now for you to be able to, as you can see, we have this video here. This is just a video that I uploaded yesterday, right? So hashtag, they usually appear at the top here. So as you can see, this video doesn't have hashtags, right? So let's add some hashtag. Now for you to be able to add hashtag, I want you to access your YouTube studio, right? Access your YouTube studio. Say this is my YouTube studio. Now I want you to find the video that you are trying to add hashtag to. So let's just create content, and then this should be opening up. So I'm just going to find the video. So let's say this is a video, right? This is a video that I want us to add hashtag to. Now once you open it, hashtag, as you can see, you have this. In click on details, make sure you're on details, not on analytics, details, right? Now for you to be able to hashtag, I always prefer adding your hashtag in the description tab, but I always prefer adding them at the bottom. You can add them anywhere in the description tab, but for me, I always prefer adding hashtag at the bottom down here in your description. So I added those hashtag Kandowa media, recording, and then how to. So now once you save, as you can see, only 3 hashtags will appear. So try not to add as many. So at least 3 for me, they are enough. So just click on save once you are done, right? And then changes has been saved. So now come back to your video. Let's just refresh this video and then see if those hashtags are appearing.
Hello guys, welcome to another
Right,
tutorial.
so this is the video, and then you can see you now have your hashtag. Let me just pause this. Yeah, so now as you can see, you have your hashtag down here, up here. So that's how you add hashtag to your YouTube video. All you can do is come into your video description and then add them at the bottom right here and then save. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give the thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.